guys, moving on to the third part. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So now let's just have a little glance of what, or little summary of what we're going to read this session. So it's like discounts are reductions on market price of certain commodities. So for example, if you're buying this apple and the apple is of 5 rupees and a discount of 2 rupees, you're getting it for 3 rupees. So that is pretty much what is discount. And discounts are generally expressed in percentages, like 50% off, sale, and 50% reduced, or decreased, and it's just discounts. Okay, so taxes and percentages are earnings of the expenditures that are paid to the government. So we're going to learn about taxes also. You obviously, when you go to some restaurants or stuff like that, you see in the bill there will be some tax to the government added to the price that you have eaten the food. For example, you ate the food for 1,000. Okay, let's keep it as 100, and there is 4 rupees of tax, pretty much like that. And the tax you will have to pay, and that money will go to the government. So that's what we're going to get a nice glance of, nice summary of what we're going to learn in this session. So you definitely would have seen this tag somewhere. So 50% off means that there is a discount of 50% off. It may be 40%, it may be 30%, it may be 20%, or it may be 10 too. And off means that there is a discount. Okay, so discounts are reductions on selling prices which are used to attract customers. Shopkeepers generally sell articles at a discounted price. So when there is a need to clear stock, or when there is a lot of items are coming in them and it's too old to be a stock, the shopkeepers sell them in discount. And it is common to express discounts in percentages, normally 30% off, as we already saw that. And words like off and sale denote that there is a discount, off 50% off, or sale 50%. It's something like that. Okay, now let's go to the next. Let's move on. Moving on. So if there is a discount of 40%, you have to convert the discount percentage to the fraction amount. If it's 50% discount out of 100, there is 50% of discount. Or if there is 40% out of 100, you have to convert it into fraction, and it is the discount price is here. Alrighty, let's move on to the next step. So let's say that the market price of a pair of your jeans you like, that you want to buy, is 1,500, and you get a discount amount, and you multiply the fraction with the market price. So the market price, the price of the jeans or the product that you're buying, is for 1,500, and there is 40% of discount here. Okay, so the 40%, okay, it's 40 by 100. You always use in the pair of 100. So you got to strike this 1 0, okay, and then you'll strike this 0, and you'll strike this 0, and you'll strike this 0. So there should always be pairs of zeros when you're striking them out without dividing and multiplying. This is a way easier way, a very easy way to do it. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0. And now what is the remaining that we have? Obviously we can't multiply anything with 1. It's just the same. So we're leaving that. So 150, and there is no 0 here. 150 into 4, which is 600. So what you have to do is, how much would you pay for the shopkeeper? So there is no, the selling price is the minus the discount. So there is a discount price. The apple you're getting, the apple you want is 1,500 rupees, and the discount for the apple is 600 rupees. So you can't give the whole money, right? For 1,500 rupees, you can't obviously give the 1,500 rupees just like that. So it's the amount, the marked price and the discount amount. When you minus it, the answer is 900 for this sum. It's like that. I hope you guys understood. Let's move on. Okay, now let's find out some stuff. So there is 1,000 rupees. The market price of probably an apple is 1,000 rupees. Let's just imagine, okay? And the discount percentage they're giving for the apple is 25%. So what you're going to be doing here is, you will have to put the price of it, and then you're going to multiply them. Obviously it's written here, and it's 25, which is the discount price, by 100. Okay, I told you about the striking method, right? strike this 0, strike this 0, strike this 0, strike this 0. But remember, it should be in pairs, so there is none of the 100 that we'll need anymore. There is none of these two zeros that we'll need anymore. So it's 10 into 25, and 10 into 25 is it is 250. So 250 minus 1000. We're going to do 250 minus 1000, which is, as it's the discount price, we have to minus it so that we get the price that they're selling for. It's discount, so we have to minus it. Hope you guys understand what I'm talking. And it is 750, which is 1000 minus 250, and do the rest of them. I want the answers, you guys. I want to see how you understand what I'm saying, so you guys can do the rest and tell me. Moving on, there will have a lot of taxes from when you go to restaurants, and when like service taxes, and yeah. So there are two kinds of main taxes. There are direct and indirect taxes. So direct taxes are nothing but which are paid directly to the government. Example, the income tax, and the tax that the government has to pay for every single of their monthly income. And indirect taxes are nothing but when the GST and like service taxes, or when you go to restaurants and when you buy from clothes from the store, they're like normal taxes that we all pay in while getting food or in any supermarkets, something like that. Now let's see how to calculate a tax. So how you would calculate a tax is, let's say that the government imposes a tax of 10% in your yearly income. So out of 100% in your income, the government takes 10% of tax, okay? And then, so that's how you calculate tax. So let's say that you earn 4 lakh per year and find the amount that has to be paid as tax. So it's nothing but 4 lakh into 10 by 100, which is 40,000, and that's it. That's how you calculate your the tax or the income tax, or how to multiply the fraction with your income or a particular amount. Now you would have seen a lot of these GST kind of things when you're going to the hotel. So let's see an example for them. So let's say that you dined at a restaurant and you are given a GST of 5%, and convert the tax percentage of the GST into a fraction. So it's 5 out of 100, so it's 5%. And let's say that your total bill is 1000. To find the amount, it has to be paid as GST. So multiply the fraction with your total bill. So it's you ate for 1000 rupees into 5 by 100, which is the tax percentage by 100, equal to 50. That's it. Equal to 50 rupees. Out of 100, it's 50 rupees for the tax, and you have to add the tax so that your total amount will be easier to say, or like 1050. That's it. 1000 plus 50 is 1050, and that's it. That's how you calculate the GST. So here it's very easy. Now let's calculate the amount including the taxes. So the amount which is not added tax, and the tax is 10%. They have given it 10%, so we have to find them. So it's very easy. So what you have to do is, so the tax, I'm just telling it for the first one so that you guys can do the rest, and it's just 700. Right, 700 into 10%. The tax percent is 10, right? So we're going to put 10 by 100. Obviously, we're going to strike this 0, strike this 0, strike this 0, strike this 0. The strike. Oops, I'm very sorry about that. I was not seeing the screen. Yeah, strike this 0, strike this 0, strike this 0, strike this 0, and then now what you'll be doing is you'll have to calculate. So there is nothing here, right? There is nothing here. And there is nothing here. There is only 1 and 1. 1 into 1 or 1 multiplied by anything will always give the same number. So, and the rest is only 70. So 70 is the amount of tax which is imposed in this particular one. So it's 700 plus 70, which is the tax that we got now, equal to 770. So amount including tax, when they ask only the tax, you have to only put 70. It's amount including the tax is in the total tax amount, which is 770, including the bill. Okay, so that's how you do it. I want you guys to do the rest of the sums and tell me how that went. the thing that I still can't believe is that we're done with this lesson. We're done with this. I had so much fun teaching you guys. I hope you guys understood what I was teaching. And if you guys haven't seen the previous parts, go ahead and watch that. And if you watch this, it made more sense. So discount is a reduction in a certain amount of the marked price, and tax is the amount that is paid to the government for different services like that the government provides us. So that was so interesting in my opinion, you guys. I hope you guys understood, and I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this session. So make sure you like, share and subscribe for more. Bye. I have a brain teaser for you guys. So Manasa purchases her clothes on a 50% sale, and she realizes that she has a coupon for another 50%. 50%, 50%, 100%. And then would she have to pay? Will she even pay? Or if she pays, why? And if she does not pay why? So this is the question for today. You guys can even comment this if you are interested. So bye.